this leg of lamb, I haven't really done anything to it yet. It's just kind of sitting in here. But what I like to do is get a light smoke on it.
Right.
I'll smoke it hot, like 325.
Perfect.
With a lot of wood. And I'll pull it and I'll sear it off on one of these Green Mountain grills.
Perfect.
We're doing it with a little chimichurri.
Awesome.
And the first thing I do is I like stab it. I'll jab these whole garlic cloves there because I love garlic.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. And then when you slice it, you get like little cuts of roasted garlic. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
So I'm gonna kind of rub. I have this chimichurri, so it's parsley, shallot, cilantro, a little red vinegar, chili flake, salt, pepper. Just gonna kind of rub that on there. And what I'll do is I'll let this hang in the fridge for like an hour.
Okay.
Typically, a lot of salt because the lamb takes a lot of salt.
Absolutely.
And I like to get a good crust on it, and then get a good salty crust. I don't salt it actually until I put it inside the grill or smoker. A little black pepper. What makes us different from the other barbecue guys here is we do old school barbecue.
Right.
But we have chef backgrounds.
Perfect.
So I came up with Emerald and some other guys like that. And so we do, in our restaurants, we do brisket, pork, ribs, that kind of stuff, but we also throw in some lamb or we do anything. I mean, just basically any cut.
Perfect. So you take that leg of lamb, it's been sitting there for an hour. You said you put it on the smoker for how long?
I pull it at like 125. And that's a little bit low for me, but I know I'm gonna crust it up on the grill hot. So we rest, I'll rest it for a half hour, and then I'll hit it on the grill.
Perfect.
So I typically get it a little crustier, probably. But I think that looks good. You know, what do you guys think?
What do you guys think of that leg of lamb? Hold that up. Hold that thing up, man. It's awesome. That thing's beautiful. Look at that thing, guys.
Yeah, so we're going to cut it up. I brought some pita bread. You can sample it out, people.
Christina's got some pita bread going. He's going to slice this up for you. He did an awesome chimichurri crust. Thank you guys for coming. Christina, thank you all. We're going to do samples soon. We're going to get them all ready. Thank you guys, Sugarfire, for coming out. You guys are awesome.
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Christina.